whole front yard.
Shush. What?
Where's the kitten? We're gonna be attacked by that cat. Mommy! Shut the door! Oh, you better go away, cat.
Sorry, that was my kittens are gonna be attacked by a huge cat. It's like the river cotton being gonna climb. Okay, anyways, let's see here. Leader, blue star, blue gray, she, cat, tinged with silver round her muzzle. Deputy, red tail, small tortoise shell, Tom with a distant ginger tail, appearance this small. Medicine cat, spider leaf, beautiful dark tortoise shell, she, cat with a distinctive doubled coat, Tom's, and she, cats without kicks. Let's move a little in it. Warriors, Lionheart, Tiger Claw, White Storm, Dark Stripe, Long Tail, Frowning Wind, Willow Pelt, Mouse Fur, Dust Ball, Grey Paw, Raven Paw, St. Paw, Fire Paw. Oh, let me go. Sorry guys, I'm trying to get this other cat to go away. I'm trying to get that cat to go away. Yo, they're making friends with them.
Oh, well, never mind.
Okay, sorry guys. Queens, Frosper, Brindleface, Golden Flower, Speckled Tail, Odors, Half Tail, Small Ear, Patch Pelt, One Eye, Dapple Tail, Shadow Clan, Broken Star, Blackfoot, Medicine Cat, Running Nose, Warriors, Stumpy Tail, Boulder, Clawface, Night Pelt, Dawn Cloud, Bright Flower, Ashfur, Wind Clan, Leader, Tall Star. Wait, I got lost. Oh, anyways, River Clan, Crooked. Oh wait, whoops. Leader, Crooked Star, the Booty. Nah, whatever. Oakhart, Cats Outside Clans, Yellowfang, Smudge, Barely. I'm going to show like the map on this thing. Another map. And it starts going to the thing. Well, yeah, whatever. Anyways, Happy Wheels,
Sorry.
What?
Okay, look. Don't spill that.
What?
It's right there. That cat has a collar on it.
I know. Sorry about that. It's weird. Let's just exit out. Sorry, you can't go on Happy Wheels. Well, Happy Wheels, I'm just get a video on YouTube. Anyways, Happy Wheels, you lose like legs and stuff. It's so weird. It actually shows like bones and blood. So I read that. And
Was that Tiger?
what?
The cat.
No. Tiger is so much skinnier. Not fat. Where's he going? Well, it's a girl. Anyway,
Food's right there.
that's my food.
Yeah.
Oh. Anyways, Happy Wheels, yeah. Ew, those bad parts. And there's this always weird, thing in the front. Oh, yeah. There was this grandma and grandpa thing in the front once. I saw it on video. Anyways, I have nothing much to say. I haven't really played
My
Happy
word, cat
Meals.
book.
So yeah. Word cuts first. Happy Wheels. What should me? First star. Ooh, wait.